What is the truth for you?
Reality is it's elusive.
Elusive.
It runs away from you.
Why?
It's how it is. It's hard to catch it.
Have you ever tried to stop it
Stop reality.
from running away from you?
No. I don't try to stop.
You never tried.
No.
Do you want to?
No.
So how come you think it's good? You think it's good that the reality is running away from
I don't
you?
have a choice. I
have-
can maybe like run next to it, but not catch it.
Along
I can't
with
stop
it.
it.
Run
Yes.
along with it. What is the absolute truth for all the people of the world?
No, it doesn't exist.
Doesn't exist too.
For everyone one tour?
Yeah.
No.
Why not?
Too many people.
Too many people
Too different.
for one truth
Yes.
to be shared.
It has to be a really big tour.
The truth has to be big for too many people to be with it.
Yes.